Who's got the power to read? Who answers the call for friends in need?
Superwhy, superwhy,
He's the guy, he's
superwhy,
Who's got the power to read? Who looks into books for the answers we need?
superwhy, superwhy.
And the super readers, we're gonna fly. Come along with the super readers. Adventure waits when you're with Superwhy. Superwhy and the super readers, yeah. Superwhy and the super readers.
Adventure waits when you're with superwhy.
Yeah, Superwhy.
Hi, so glad you're here. It's me, Wyatt. Welcome to Storybook Village, where all our fairy tale friends live. Uh-oh. Looks like my baby sister Joy is upset. Let's go see what's going on. Come on. Let's go see what's wrong with baby Joy. It's okay. Wyatt's here. Yay for joy! Yay for joy! I wonder what she's saying. She hasn't said any real words yet. Can you say why? Say my nickname. Y for Wyatt. Why? Why? Why?
Why?
Did you hear that? Joy just said my name. She said why?
What?
She said it again. That's your first word. Everyone, come quick.
What is it, Wyatt?
Joy just said her first word. She said my name. Why?
Are you sure? Come on, Wyatt. You know Joy doesn't talk yet.
But she said it. She did.
I'm not saying we don't believe you, but we don't believe you. Sorry.
Come on, let's get you cleaned up for dinner.
But I heard it. Did you? Yeah, we are telling the truth. Why doesn't my family believe me? This is a super big problem. And a super big problem needs us, the Super Readers. We need to call the rest of the Super Readers. Call them with me. Say, calling all Super Readers. Calling all Super Readers. To the book club.
To the book club.
Come on, to the book club. Wyatt here.
P is for pig. Red Riding Hood rolling in. Princess P at your service.
And you, say your name. Great, we're all here. Together, we'll solve my problem. Let's go.
Okay, Wyatt, state your problem.
So I heard my baby sister Joy say her first word. Why?
She said your name!
I know. The problem is, no one else heard it. And now they don't believe me. How can I get my family to believe me?
Good question, Wyatt.
When we have a question, we look.
In a book!
What book should we look in?
Peas and carrots, carrots and peas. Book come out, please, please, please!
Let's read the title of this book. The Boy Who Cried Wolf. We know what to do. We need to jump into this book and find the answer to my question. First, we look for super letters. And then put them in our super duper computer. Super duper computer, how many super letters do we need? Looks like in this story, we need to find 5 super letters. And then we'll get our super story answer. It's time to transform. Ready?
Ready!
Arms in. Put your arm in. Super readers,
To the rescue! Alpha Pig with alphabet power! Wonder Red with word power!
Princess Presto with spelling power!
superwhy with the power to read. And super you with the power to help. Together we are
The Super Readers!
Y Flyers. We're ready to fly into this book.
Super readers,
To the rescue!
it's time to fly with the super readers, 'cause we've got a problem to solve. Super readers,
To the rescue!
super readers, working together with powers to read. Into books we fly to find the super story answer. It's super wide. Super readers,
To the rescue!
Presto! We're in the Boy Who Cried Wolf book.
Let's read. Y Writer, highlight. Read with me. A boy saw a wolf.
Wolf, wolf, there's a wolf!
Nobody else saw the wolf.
Where is there a wolf?
Nobody believed the boy saw a wolf.
I don't see a wolf, so I don't believe you.
That's just like my problem. My family didn't believe me when I heard Baby Joy say my name. And that, super readers, is why we're in this book. We both can't get anybody to believe us.
We need to talk to that boy.
Let's roll!
Double drats, a river, and the boy is on the other side. Oh, my peas. How are we going to cross the river?
Alpha Pig to the rescue! With my amazing alphabet tools, I can build a bridge for us to cross the river. Okay, I need Super U to help me sing the alphabet. And I'll build the letters. Ready? A, B, C. Sing with me. A, B, C, D, E, amazing alphabet singing. Now we need to find all of the letters in the word bridge. Where's that letter B?
There!
B. Now, where is the R?
Over there!
R. Now, where is the I?
There it is!
I. And now, where is the D?
Right there!
D. And how about the G and the E?
There!
G and E. Lickety letters. We built the word bridge. Let's give ourselves a big thumbs up.
Now we can cross the bridge to get to the boy.
To the boy!
Don't forget to look out for super letters.
Super letters.
You see super letters? Where?
There!
Way to go! Our first super letters. What letters did you find?
R! S!
Yeah, R and S. We need to put them in our super duper computer. Three more super letters and then we'll get our super story answer. Excellent progress, super readers.
On with the story. To the boy we go.
Wolf! Wolf! There's a wolf!
Did you say there's a wolf?
He's my new friend, Wolf. We were just playing ball.
Hello there, I'm the wolf. Your turn.
Sorry.
Oh, no worries. I'll go get the ball.
Son, did you say you saw a wolf?
He was right here, a second ago.
I don't see a wolf, so I don't believe you.
You don't believe me?
It's hard to believe you when there's no wolf here, son. Sorry.
Caught the ball.
Wolf, no one believes that I saw you.
But you did see me. See, here I am, and I'm a wolf.
I know we see you, but how can we get everyone else to see you?
Cue the sparkle. Cue the music. Princess Presto to the rescue!
With my magic spelling wand, I can make a party. And when you have a party, everyone comes. Okay, super readers, wands up. Spell with me. I need you to help me spell party. What letter makes the sound P? P! The letter P. Write it with me, like this. P. Now let's write the letter A. Write an A with me. A. What makes the sound R? R. Write the R with me. R. R. And what letter makes the sound T, T, T? T. T. Write it with me. T. sounds like E in this word. Write the Y with me. Lovely Y. P-A-R-T-Y. Party! Presto! Spectacular spelling! We spelled the word party and made a party appear. Let's take a bow.
Wow, you sure know how to spell a good party.
Super letters.
You found a super letter? Which letter did you find?
U.
U. Let's put this U in our super duper computer. Two more super letters until we get our super story answer. Everyone, come to our party. There's a wolf. There's a wolf.
Uh-oh, I have to go to the bathroom. I'll be right back.
Okay, Wolf, but hurry back.
A wolf? Where?
Where's the wolf? Ah, you just missed him. He went to the bathroom.
What?
Are you making this up?
No, the wolf is my friend, and we made a party for you to meet him.
Are you pretending? Maybe you're just pretending there's a wolf.
There is a wolf, and he is my friend. I'm not pretending. Nobody believes me because you weren't here.
Well, I'm here now. Call them again.
Everyone, come quick. There's a wolf. There's a wolf.
We are not coming.
There is no wolf.
Nobody believes me about the wolf. Nobody is coming. This always happens in my story. Look. The boy cried wolf and nobody came. I can't change my story. Superwhy to the rescue! With the power to read, I can change this story and save the day. Let's change the word nobody in this sentence. Let's zap it. Ready, set, zap! Y Rider? Right. Okay, super readers, let's choose a new word. Which word should we use to get everyone to come back? People, cookies, or bridges? Let's try cookies. Which one is the word cookies? I think it has 2 O's in it.
That one!
Okay, let's zap the word cookies into the sentence. Do it with me. Ready, set, zap! Now, let's read. The boy cried wolf, and cookies came. There's a wolf! There's a wolf! Woohoo! Cookies! But does cookies help everyone come back to see the wolf? No, cookies didn't help. Okay, super readers, we need a word to get everyone to come back. Which word should we use? People, cookies, or bridges? Okay, let's try the word people. Which one is the word people? I think it starts with a P.
That one!
Let's zap the word people into the sentence. Ready, set, zap! Now, let's read. The boy cried wolf, and people came. There's a wolf! There's a wolf!
Here we are. We came back to see the wolf.
Super job, super readers! We changed the story so that people came.
We came again. So, where is this wolf?
The wolf was just here. Where did he go?
Well, I don't see a wolf again.
People, everyone. I feel sad when you don't believe me, because I'm telling the truth. I would like you to stay here until the wolf comes back.
Hi, I'm the wolf.
I told you I saw a wolf, and he's my new friend.
Hello, wolf. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
I'm so sorry, son. We should have believed you.
Super letters!
You found our last super letters? What letters did you find?
T!
T! 2 T's? Let's put them in our super duper computer! We found all of our super letters. Now we can get our super story answer. Bye.
Goodbye, super
Thanks for
readers.
coming. Bye,
Bye.
guys.
See you later.
Why Flyers? Back to the book club.
We found the super story answer with superwhy.
Super duper computer. Give us our super story answer. Read the letters with me. T, R, U, S, T. Trust. Our super story answer is trust. But why?
Because in the book, people listened to the boy and waited for the wolf to come back. They learned to trust him.
So my question is, how can I get my family to believe me?
And the answer is
Trust. So, to get my family to believe me, I should tell them I want them to trust me? That's it. Come on. Okay, everybody. I have something to say. It hurts my feelings when you don't believe me. I really did hear Joy say her first word. And you heard it too, right? Okay, so trust me. I am telling the truth.
You're right, Wyatt. We'll trust you. And wait.
Why?
Whoa, Joy!
Did you hear that?
We heard it, Wyatt.
If you tell us something, we need to trust you.
Thanks for your help. It worked! Hip hip hooray! The super readers saved the day!
Hip, hip, hooray!
Hooray!
The super reader saved the day. We changed the story. We solved the problem. We worked together, so hip, hip, hooray! Hip, hip, hooray! The super reader saved the day. Hip, hip, hooray! The super reader saved the day.
Hi, so glad you're here. It's me, Wyatt. Welcome to Storybook Village, where all our fairy tale friends live. Whoa! Princess P just got a brand new kitten. Let's go. Hello there.
Hi, Wyatt. Meet my kitten.
Hey there, kitty.
She sure likes you, Wyatt.
I like her too. I think we're friends. Right, kitty?
Oh, my. Come back, kitty. She ran all the way up the tree.
Maybe I can reach her.
Split Pea, we can't get her down. This is terrible. How, oh, how will I ever get my kitten down?
This is a super big problem. And a super big problem needs us, the Super Readers. We need to call the rest of the Super Readers. Call them with me. Say, calling all Super Readers.
Calling all Super Readers.
To the book club.
To the book club.
Come on, to the book club. Wyatt here.
P is for pig. Red Riding Hood rolling in.
Princess P, at your service.
And you, say your name. Great, we're all here. And together, we will solve Princess P's problem. Let's go. Okay, Princess P, state your problem.
My kitten ran up the tree, and now she's stuck.
Oh, no.
How, oh, how will I get my kitten down from the tree?
Good question. When we have a question, we look
In a book. What book should we look in?
Peas and carrots, carrots and peas. Book come out, please, please, please.
Let's read the title of this book. Rapunzel. We know what to do. We need to jump into this book and find the answer to Princess P's question. First, we look for super letters. And then put them in our super duper computer. Super duper computer, how many super letters do we need? Oh, looks like in this story, we'll need 8 super letters. And then we'll get our super story answer. It's time to transform. Ready?
Ready!
Arms in. Put your arm in. Super Readers,
To the rescue! Alpha Pig with alphabet power! Wonder Red with word power!
Princess Presto with spelling power.
superwhy with the power to read. And Super U with the power to help. Together we are
The Super Readers.
Y Flyers. We're ready to fly into this book.
Super Readers,
To the rescue.
it's time to fly with the Super Readers, 'cause we've got a problem to a song. Super readers
To the rescue!
super readers, working together with powers to read. In the books we fly to find the super story answer. It's superwhy. Super readers
To the rescue!
Presto! We're in the Rapunzel book.
Let's read. Why, writer? Highlight! Read with me. A princess named Rapunzel lived in a tall castle. Yoo-hoo! The prince rode to the castle on his horse. Rapunzel was stuck at the top of the castle and could not come down. What will I do?
Rapunzel is stuck at the top of the castle, just like my kitten is stuck at the top of the tree.
And that, super readers, is why we are in this book. The kitten and Rapunzel are both stuck.
Let's go find out how Rapunzel gets down from the castle.
Oh, my peas! There are so many trees. I can't see the castle anymore.
But if we can't see the castle, we won't be able to find Rapunzel.
What should we do?
Alpha Pig, to the rescue! With my amazing alphabet tools, I can help us find the letters in the word castle. And then we will find the castle. I'll just need my lucky letter lasso. Okay, the word castle starts with the letter C. Where is the C? There! There's that C. Lucky letter lasso. Now we need to find an A. Do you see an A?
Right there!
That's the A. Lucky letter lasso, go! Now where's the S?
Right there!
There's that S. Okay, now the T. Do you see the T?
There!
There's the T. Lucky letter lasso. And now the letter L. Where is the L?
There!
That's the L. One more letter. Where's that E?
Over there!
There's the E. Lickety letters. We found all the letters in the word castle. Let's give ourselves a big thumbs up. Taking off to the castle.
Be sure to look out for super letters.
Super letters.
You see super letters? What letters did you find?
W.
T! Ooh, W and T. We need to put them into our super duper
Computer!
6 more super letters, and then we'll get our super story answer.
Yoo-hoo! Hello down there, super readers. You came just in time. The prince is coming to play. Hooray!
But wait! How can you play with the prince if you're stuck in a tall castle?
Well, I just simply let down my long hair, and the prince will climb up it.
The prince will climb up your hair?
Yes, I've been growing it so long. Look. Why, my hair is not long. It's short. The prince can't climb up my short hair. I need long hair. What will I do?
Cue the sparkles! Cue the music! Princess Presto to the rescue! With my magic spelling wand, I can spell the word grow and make Rapunzel's hair grow long. Will you help me spell the word grow? Great! Wands up. Spell with me. What letter makes the sound G? G.
G!
A G. Write a G with me. G. Now, what letter makes the sound R?
R!
An R. Write an R with me. R. What letter makes the sound O?
O!
Oh, an O. Let's write the O. What a lovely O. Now the last letter. What makes the sound W, W, W?
W!
W. Let's write the W like this. W. G-R-O-W. Grow. Say it with me. Grow, grow, grow. Presto! Spectacular spelling. We made Rapunzel's hair grow by spelling the word grow. Let's take a bow.
My hair? So long. Now the prince can climb up my long hair. Super letters!
Do you see super letters? Where?
There!
What letters did you find?
A! O! K!
A-O-K? Now let's put them in our super duper computer! 3 more super letters, and then we'll get our super story answer. Super job, super readers. Oh, Rapunzel!
He's here! The prince is here! Hooray!
Hurry is right.
No, silly. Hooray! I am so happy to see you.
Most happy to see you, too. Now why don't you come down so we can play?
I can't. I'm stuck at the top of this castle. You're supposed to get me down.
I am? Oh, yes, I am. Not a problem. Rapunzel, Rapunzel, let down your hair. Your hair is so long. Now what do I do?
Climb up my long hair.
Really? Climb up your hair? Won't that hurt? Okay,
Here I come. Ouch! Sorry.
Ouch, 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 ouch.
If I can't climb up your hair, how will you get down from the castle?
Maybe you can let down something else for the prince to climb.
I can't let something else down. My story says, Rapunzel, Rapunzel, let down your hair. See? What else can I do?
Superwhy to the rescue! With the power to read, I can change this story and save the day. Let's change the word hair in this sentence. Ready, set, zap! Y-Writer, right. Super readers, which word will help Rapunzel get down from the castle? Bed, book, or ladder? Let's try bed. Which word is bed? It ends with a D.
There!
There's the word bed. Let's zap it into our sentence. Ready, set, zap! Let's read. Rapunzel, Rapunzel, let down your bed.
I am a little sleepy. Maybe I'll just take a short nap.
Did that help Rapunzel get down?
No.
The word bed didn't help. What else can get her down? Bed, book, or ladder? How about ladder? Where's the word ladder? It has 2 D's in it.
There!
There's the word ladder. Let's zap it. Ready, set, zap!
All right, here goes. Rapunzel, Rapunzel, let down your ladder. Whoa!
Can a ladder help Rapunzel get down?
Yes!
Yes! Super job, super readers. We changed the story.
I can come get you now.
Wait, you don't have to come up. I can climb down.
Oh, my.
I can't do this alone. I think I need help to be safe.
I can help, Rapunzel.
Me too.
Me too.
Will you help too? Let's go. Let's hold the ladder so Rapunzel can get down. Put your arms out in front, like this. We have the ladder.
Okay, climbing down now.
You're almost there, Rapunzel.
Only a few more steps to go.
Great work, super readers. Together, we help the ladder and help Rapunzel come down.
Thank you ever so much, super readers. I couldn't have gotten down the ladder without your help. And now we can play.
Hooray!
Super letters!
You see super letters? Which ones?
R! E! M!
Cool. We need to put them into our super duper
Computer!
We did it! We found all of our super letters. Now we can get our super story answer.
My, it is hot with all this hair.
we can spell cut and give you a haircut. C-U-T. Cut. Presto!
Much better. And so stylish.
Bye, Super Readers! Bye! See you! Have fun!
Why Flyers? Back to the book club.
We found the super story answer with superwhy.
Super duper computer! Give us our super story answer. Read the letters with me. T, E, A, M, W, O, R, K. Teamwork. The super story answer is teamwork. But why?
Because we used teamwork to help Rapunzel down from the castle. We all helped to hold the ladder.
So my question is, how will I get my kitten down from the tree?
And the answer is
Teamwork! Oh, we can use teamwork to get my kitten down from the tree. Will you all help me?
Yeah!
Teamwork! Teamwork!
Let's go! We're coming, Kitty. We are going to use teamwork to help you down.
We need something for you to climb.
That step stool.
Okay, now for the teamwork. Everyone put your arms out and hold on tight to the step stool, okay?
We're holding the step stool.
Are you holding the step stool too? Okay, here I go. Almost there. I've got you, Kitty! Ta-da!
Yay, we did it!
Kitty!
Go, Princess!
My kitten is safe and sound. Aren't you, Kitten? Yes, you are! Yes, oh yes, you are!
Hip hip hooray! The super readers saved the day!
Hip, hip, hooray!
Hooray!
The super reader saved the day. We changed the story. We solved the problem.